Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the new City in Blossom collection by Modelones. It comes with 6 gorgeous spring shades, and I'm super excited to share this with you, so let's just go ahead and pull these beautiful shades out. So as you can see, they come in this really cute packaging, and they first of all included an application instructions booklet, and then here you can see the 6 beautiful shades, and they also included a really cute postcard which has the theme of the collection on it, and it's really pretty. I really like this touch. So now that you've seen the packaging, let's go ahead and look at the colors. So first of all, we have color 0306, which is a gorgeous pastel yellow shade. Then we have shade 0581, which is a gorgeous silver color with gold reflective glitter. Then we have shade 0718, which is a beautiful sparkly lilac color. Then we have shade 1328, which is a very beautiful pastel orange shade, and I think it's one of my favorites in this collection. Following that, we have another pastel shade, a pastel green color in the number 1560, and it's also super pretty. And lastly, we have 1565, which is a very beautiful pastel blue color, a really true baby blue, and I love it. So for the nail art in today's video, I already applied some press-on nails, and I'm going in with a layer of the Modelones base coat on all of the nails. After that is cured, I applied a layer of a very thin sheer pink base coat as well, and I took my stamp and I started just adding different colors and mixing them together so that I could use that TikTok hack to make a French line with like different marbling colors, and I think it worked out really great. So here you can see in more detail exactly what I'm doing. You can either add the colors from the collection in dots or in lines and then swirl the colors together with a brush or a dotting tool. You can see here that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just like mixing them around without completely mixing the colors. And then I am putting my nail right on the stamp and I press it in until I form the smile line that I want, and then I slowly drag it out because I want the shape that I created to stay in place so that the colors don't just mix up completely. And here you can see again I'm repeating the exact same thing, and sadly the light from my ring light is a little too bright, so you're not able to see the colors as nicely as they look in real life. So I'm going to make sure to add some pictures on YouTube as well so you can go ahead and check out the exact look. It just looks a little too bright. I'm also going to add more pictures and videos on my Instagram so you can see it in better lighting. But yeah, you can see just how pretty the marble effect looks. It's super easy to put together, and I hope that by extending the way that I'm showing it in this tutorial, that I'm actually helping you replicate this, because I think it's super easy for beginners to use this technique, and you've seen me use it a lot of times and I just love it. And also the colors are very pigmented, so this always helps for this look to come together effortlessly. So after I finished all the French lines for all of the nails, I just decided to add a little bit of that gray color with the gold flakes as like a border to the smile line to make it a little sharper. I was thinking of maybe adding rhinestones, but I really like the way that the marble looks and I didn't want to take away from the effect that I created. So instead of that, I decided to just add some top coat and use these cute spring flowers that you've seen me use in the past in other looks. And these are UV activated, so they change colors in the lamp, and it really just blends in with the whole look very nicely. And I also added some of these gold caviar beads inside of the little flowers as well as around them. and I decided to repeat this look for the ring finger and for my pointer finger with different colored flowers. So yeah, I think that this is just the perfect spring look, and it just matches these beautiful polishes perfectly. Then I just went ahead and I added a layer of top coat to the rest of the nails. As always, I added some cuticle oil to nourish the cuticles. And here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really love this collection. The colors are absolutely perfect for spring. I love the little postcard that it came with, and overall I'm super satisfied with it. I hope you will guys give it a try as well. I will leave a link to it in the description down below. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment telling me what you thought, and subscribe for more videos every single week and a lot of new reviews coming up, which I'm super excited about. A very big thank you to Modelones for sending me this PR package and giving me the chance to try this collection as it launched. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!